good afternoon. Welcome back to our YouTube channel. So, in this afternoon, guys, I will be showing you some utility function. So, as you can see on my screen, this is a big project before for common utility of our organization. So, we just added a new utility function, which is FTP. So, basically, what we are going to do is to upload or download or delete files from a secured FTP. So we are using WinSCP. So you can see here, if you upload or download files to a certain FTP folder, file transfer protocol, you can use the WinSCP program, but this is manually doing. So what we are going to do is to have a program ourselves that will uh, automatically upload or download all the files. So I'm just showing you how to upload or download files manually, and later on I will show you how we code it. So we can configure it as a service or a web job, so it will automatically pick up your files in certain interval, or you can also download the files. So I'm having a problem in connecting. So what's the issue now? What's the problem here? I think this is. Let me try again. Cannot transfer. Okay, maybe our credential is having a problem to connect. Oh, I don't have connection. Why? So I'm sorry, guys. My internet is just kidding me. Converge Philippines. I always your connection is always time out. Can you do better? So you can see here, guys. I already connected to our QEFTP. So we can upload a secure way, that's SFTP, or the normal way, FTP only. So I have created here a test directory, and this is my local files. Let's say, for example, I have to upload this file. I just right click it and upload. And yeah, it will upload to this FTP. This is another server that can access files. So as you can see here, these are the files that I just right click and upload. And you can also delete it or you can download it. So now we go back. I will show you how we create C# program to do it. Okay. So this is showing it how you can do it manually. Alright. So guys, I just created in this morning the species function at FTP. So I have here the FTP config XML. So this will be the configuration, your FTP host, the username, password, and fingerprint. So this is our QE environment. So it doesn't matter if you can log in there is QE. All right. So and then I have created the FTP util class. Of course, this is I have a method here. Upload a single file to an FTP folder. So basically, this is a Boolean type, and it will receive file info, the files that you will be going to upload. So here's the directory and the single file. So this is uploading by single file. So and then if the folder where you upload, where I just shown you before, I earlier the FTP folder file, and this is FTP. If it's false, it's normal, but if it's true, we are going to use the secured FTP. So there is a key fingerprint that is added for security. So first and foremost, I am going to read get XML config data. So I have here in my helper class. So as you can see here, I have one helper class here. So basically, this is a private file exists method. Just check check the root directory where you put the XML config. So where you use, since this is a class library or a DLL, on where you are going to use this DLL, you have to put the XML config file there as the path directory. So it will search there. And of course, this is the method that will get the config data. So this is out parameter is FTP. Also, basically, once you get it, it will have a value because that is referenced by out parameter. Okay. So normally, yeah, basically, we are just going to get the XML path, and if it's not found, so it will just throw an exception, and then it will we will read it. Okay. So we use XML document to read the XML file for our configuration list. So after you load the XML file, so you have to move to the element one one by one element. For example, in the attribute, the root document is the document element, and then the attribute, for example, the attribute host, you get attribute FTP host, which is a variable that we set, and you have the value there. And to get the value there, you just have to access the inner XML. Okay, and thing like that. So this is a basic XML reading. So after that, so you're able to read it. So as I said, this out parameter. So what's the value is filled in there, it will be stored here. So that is why we can use it now in our program in the connecting to SFTP. So basically, session option, we are stating the protocol that we are going to use is FTP, and we also supply the FTP host username, which came from our XML configuration. Okay, and this is the checking if we are using the secured is FTP, so we have to add the session option is host key fingerprint and the value that we are going to pass, and the protocol type is FTP also. All right, so that is a secure way. There's a secret key, and then this is additional session option address setting. Actually, it's just for, yeah, we can omit it or not, and then we have this is actually in the WinSCP website. You can have also the documentation how to use it programmatically, right? So there are lots of settings that you can apply. So this is the part that we put the files. This session put files, the file that you're going to put into the folder, the file name. And if you want to remove the file after it's being put there, it means to say that after uploaded the where it came from, you have to delete it. So you have going to through transfer option. This is the, yeah, you can add read the documentation in the WinSCP or more information about their parameters that they're going to use. And I just have the variable success, and it will return the transfer result that is success, because this method will return a boolean. So if this is successful, it will return true, not it will return false. So that's basically how we do it. And of course, for us to test if that's working, we also created a unit test, right? So below in my code, I have a unit test program here, and unit is FTP. So I put the SFTP configuration file here. So you can just supply your information there, what the credential of your SFTP. And then this is the uh, unit test program, how we do it. So basically we have manually put the folders, the file that we are going to upload. And then this is the test method. We are going to have the file, which is the file info path combined folder file name. And then we have to access the DLL. That's why we in this Unity's program, we already have the DLL for the FTP and also the FTP config. Okay. Later when we add the logger, so we also add the logger DLL from here. So it will be a logging. So we have created also our logging. In the previous video, you can found that the module for the how we did the custom logger for our organization. Basically, this is how to test. So FTP upload file, you supply the file, FTP folder, and if it's going to use normal FTP or SFTP. So I'm gonna test the normal FTP. So how we gonna test it? We just right click from here and then debug test. So just like debugging a normal console program. Okay, so we go here, we go to the program. So as you can see, we pass the file. So this is the file that we're going to upload. Yeah, and then the folder is here. So it will be in the inbox, this directory after your FTP host. And then let's pause. So we're reading the XML. So after reading the XML, the FTP host is this one. And the FTP username is that one, the password, the fingerprint like that. And then, yeah, of course, there are additional setting here. And then, yeah, so this is the time that we put the files. Yeah. Then, as you can see, it's successful. So it's true. So the files being uploaded now. Okay, so we need to check it if it's really in our FTP folder. But before that, guys, one thing that I forget to mention is that you have to install first the package, the login package for the WinSCP. So you just go to your normal tools, package console manager, and then from the package install manager, you are just going to install. Like that install package when it's CP, and the version that we're using is what the version we are using is, you can specify the version if you are not using the latest version. So actually the version that we're using is um yeah, I think that is 5.19.6 like that. Okay. Okay, so you have to install it, and after that you install the new Git package, it will appear in your references. And also in your package config file, this is the version of the WinSCP 5.19.6. Target framework is .NET. We are using .NET in our class library, so it will be usable if even if you are using it in .NET framework or in the .NET 6 or .NET 5 or in the ASP.NET Core. That's why I use the .NET class library, so it will be usable since this is a DLL, right? So that's that's how we do it programmatically, and of course there are other files here. I mean, there's other function here for uploading. For example, this one upload folders contents to FTP. So all the files in the folders by bus this will be uploaded. And then of course we can download files from the SFTP. So basically the same download files. So you get from the FTP files, you're going to move it to your local folder like that. That's it. And yeah, they have also delete. So delete deleting delete files from FTP. Yeah, this one. We will test it later on. This so basically we already uploaded and we check if it's really loaded in the FTP folder. So we will go to the WinSCP program, and from here we connect it. This is the FTP host FTP. You can see this is the files that we uploaded in our program. You can see here in our this. unit is where's the unit is this one. Yeah, this is the 935 8565. So 935 8665. So if for example we have to upload this one we have to try it, and this is an XML file. So we just put it here. So this is and this is an XML file. Uh, so this is a unit test. So if you use this DLL or this program, you can just supply what the files, the folders you are going to upload, and it may be if you are using a console application, you can have your app config and set the following, right? So we'll test it again. Let's see if it will be uploaded an XML file. If there's a problem, does not exist. This top email does not exist. Why it does not exist? We have here. This is the file that we're talking about. No, that's not the correct path that we supply. So because in our testing part, we use the folder this one. Okay. So if we use it this part, so the folder will be this one. See it. Where's that documents? Okay, I will lost this back. Back, parcel back. I think we just choose this one, the API. This is the folder. Ah, I just want to get the folder name that's in my document. So we'll just access here, so it will be easy. Area is here this one. So we have to change our FTP tell we just need to change this one because that's not the one that we are using. That's why the file is not exist. And this is the file name way. So we try it again. Right. Okay. So see, it's working. All right. So now we have to take a look here if it's already downloaded. Just refresh it. I mean upload it. So you can see the XML file is already uploaded. Alright guys, so if you want to have this code, just comment below and maybe I can create a GitHub or a sort of repo so you can download it, right? But you need to comment if you, so I can say that there's this program is also helpful in your part, okay? And there are lots of things that we need to do. For example, in the next series, I will add we will add logging here. How we are going to put a log DLL. We have already the logging DLL. So we need to incorporate it here so we can have a logging on what's going on, and we can just look the log file. So that's for now, guys. And if you like this video, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button so you will be notified for the next upcoming video. All right. Happy learning. Bye bye.